Ya, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Welcome to our urban planning question and answer series. Today we will explore a key concept in building infrastructure and urban design. We'll learn about the differences and distinctions between building flooring system that utilize zero-level floors, ground floors, and basement, along with integration of underground transport system. In the world of urban planning and infrastructure, understanding the subtle differences in building codes and standards is crucial. Special planning professionals must navigate varied global standards and adapt to different urban contexts. So this knowledge is essential, particularly for urban planning professionals, offering insights into how various countries approach building design and underground infrastructure. Firstly, let's clarify what we mean by zero-level floors and ground floors. In some countries, the zero-level floor is often synonymous with what others might refer to as the ground floor. For example, in countries and regions that use the UK flooring system, the floor that serves as the main entrance and exit to the building is called as the ground floor. This floor may be at the street level or slightly above it. Below this level, there might be a lower ground floor, which is slightly below street level, or directly a basement that is fully below street level. And above the ground level, above the ground floor, is the beginning of the numbered floor, starting with the first floor. But in contrast, in the US flooring system, the floor at the entrance and exit of the building is often referred to as the first floor. And what many other countries call as the first floor, Americans might refer to as the second floor. So that's slight difference between UK and US flooring system. Now let's talk about the basement. Basements are universally recognized as floors below the ground level. They are commonly used for storage, parking, or utility rooms in residential buildings, but however, in densely populated cities like New York, London, and Tokyo, the basements are increasingly becoming an integral part of the building's functional space, and even sometimes hosting entire commercial complexes. Now let's also explore how these floors interact with underground infrastructure. In cities with advanced public transport networks such as London's Tube or Tokyo's Metro, buildings often have basements that seamlessly connect to underground transport system. This integration not only enhance accessibility but also contribute to efficient land use in crowded urban centers. For instance, in advanced cities, shopping malls are frequently connected directly to MRT stations through subterranean passages, creating a more fluid and convenient urban experience. Countries vary widely in how they apply the systems. For example, in the United States, there is often a clear distinction between basement and sub-basement, particularly in skyscrapers where multiple underground levels are necessary. Meanwhile, countries like Japan have more advanced, perfected the art of integrating underground floors with public infrastructure, creating entire subterranean districts that function almost as cities beneath the cities. However, not all countries have clearly defined or consistently applied this distinction. Some regions, particularly in developing world, may lack uniform standards, leading to confusion in both construction and usage. For instance, ambiguous floor labeling can cause confusion in emergency situations or for visitors unfamiliar with local conventions. This ambiguity can also pose challenges, especially in international collaboration or consultations between stakeholders. So, understanding these differences allow urban planners and engineers to better appreciate the variety of systems and regulations that exist globally. It, it broadens our perspective and equips us to design and plan more effectively. By being aware of this various system and perspective, we can foster greater clarity, efficiency, and accessibility in urban design. That's why, as spatial planning experts, particularly urban planning professionals, recognizing these infrastructure differences is key to successful international collaboration and also project implementation. By familiarizing ourselves with the various systems used around the world, we not only enhance our expertise but also contribute to the creation of more coherent and functional urban environments. So, thank you for your attention. I hope this video will be useful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.